Okay, I'm gonna do one speed test. Reaching 146, 147, 148. Maybe because of my body weight, I'm 90 kgs, I'm 6 feet 1, so I'm able to take it to max 150. Now I'm not sure why is that. Now the RPM lock is also not there, but it surely has that power, the punch of the power. You can feel it. But इसमें oh भाई power, the way it flies, beautiful. So gonna test the quick shifter. Yeah. So if you're over, I would say 4500 RPM or maybe 5000 RPM, that's when your quick shifter is working fine. It's effortless driving, no doubt. Too easy to maneuver, too easy to pick up the speed, the pace, braking is good. Plus the best part is suspensions are adjustable, levers are adjustable, you have traction control, both cornering and normal. Quick shifter is there, over 4500 RPM. Look at the pace. Oh my goodness. You literally feel the torque, you literally feel the power. I mean, gonna use quick shifter again. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. So quick shifter is working effortlessly over 4500 RPM. See, they have even given a place to mount or probably put the GPS mount. I'm not sure how this is gonna come out, but surely does. So, lights, normal modes. So they do not have a hazard light, of course. Handling is purely comfortable. Now if I do saddling, it is a little difficult because the handlebar is a little on the lower side. I'll have to probably have the handlebar raisers, but with my weight the bike is not going over 150. It's taking a long time at 145, 146 to climb or cross 150. मैं टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि corners पे कितना grip feel हो रहा है, which is a very good thing. I mean, they have a traction control system, so nice. Okay, brake punch is a little bad for the rear brake. Front brake is good, but the rear one is little one. I mean, it takes a little long to give that punch. And again, at low RPMs, the engine is a little stressed. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, nice. Suspension feel तो हो रहा है एकदम. जैसे ही लूज किया, अब इसका travel बढ़ गया. But too much vibrations on the foot pack. Basically, I'll be doing a very random test. मैं 0 से शुरू करूँगा देख पिकअप के लिए. Gear number 1. भाई हवा के झोंके से जो ऐसे ऐसे हुई है गाड़ी. 155 के ऊपर गाड़ी हवा में विगल कर रही है. और हैंडल का एक मेरे को ये फील हुआ कि हैंडल इतना मतलब हल्का है फॉर द बाइक कि ये देखो